Hey guys, welcome to our WordPress versus Shopify review. In this video I will speak about both of these website builders, but I will mostly focus on e-commerce, because that's not a secret that Shopify is built for e-commerce. And I will not speak about the WordPress CMS, mostly because you guys are looking for the best and easiest way to create a website on your own without a background in coding, right? And that WordPress CMS, which is WordPress.org, does require quite a little bit of understanding in website coding. So I will speak about WordPress.com, which is a pretty simple website builder, which does offer a free trial in case you want to try it out first, and you can access the trial via the link that I have in the description. Other than that, in this comparison I will speak about the best features that both of these website builders have for e-commerce, who and what are they going to be best for, and I will make my final verdict together with giving information about the WordPress and Shopify pricing. So stick with me till the end of the video and you will find whether WordPress or Shopify is better for you. Let's get right into it. So starting from the beginning, let's talk about the templates that you can get with either WordPress or Shopify. WordPress offers a variety of templates that are pretty decent, and I do believe that they're pretty good. Although a minority of those templates are free to use and most of them are paid ones, and you would have to prepare from 50 to around $150 for every paid one. But the beautiful thing about WordPress is that you can access the premium templates if you get one of the more advanced plans, which will save you quite a lot of money. Now, on the other hand, Shopify offers 9 free templates, which I found to be pretty good, maybe even better than WordPress's visual-wise. And the rest comes at a certain cost, which can be quite expensive, especially if you're on a budget. Prices start from $100 and can go way up, but I would say that if you're looking for a way to skip the editing part of your website, you can get one of those templates and avoid the hassle of editing every part of your site, because those premium themes are pretty well customized and they look really good. So all in all, I would say that both WordPress and Shopify offer decent templates, but I would still say that WordPress may be better as it has more free ones and you can access all the premium ones as well with a premium plan. Now let's continue this WordPress versus Shopify review by going into the editor itself. WordPress is known for being one of the advanced website builders that have lots of freedom over the additional features that you may want to put on your website. So basically, once you reach your edit screen, you can add lots and lots of features with the drag and drop functionality. The drag and drop allow you to take whatever you like and put it anywhere you want. So say you want to take an image, a button, a video, whatever you want, and you can drag it anywhere you want. This gives you a lot of freedom, but you might be risking making a little mess out of your website, because then it can look like this. Now, on the other hand, Shopify is mainly built for e-commerce and does not have such an advanced website builder as WordPress. But everything here is pretty simple. You don't have lots of additional features and options here, but more or less you will have everything you need, including the option to edit the code. Hey guys, if you already find this video helpful, please hit a like to this video as it helps me a lot. Plus, you can find a full written review of this and other website builders on our website, mybestwebsitebuilder.com. Now, continuing this WordPress versus Shopify review, let's look into the Applications tab. Most of the time, website builders allow you to install extra applications and plugins that add or improve some functionalities of your website. So I'm happy to announce that both of these website builders do allow you that, and Shopify has a separate Shopify application store where you can find hundreds of applications that are both free and premium ones. It really depends on what you need and want, but take note that the premium ones can cost you from $15 to $100 per month. Again, it really depends on what you want. Now, WordPress, on that matter, has loads of plugins that you can install on your website. However, you will need to have a business plan in order to access them. I will speak about the plans in just a few minutes. But regarding those plugins, there's quite a lot of them, as you can see on the screen right now. So in both cases, you shouldn't have any problems nor limitations with either WordPress or Shopify. So it's time to talk about the most important aspect of both of these website builders, and that's the e-commerce features. Now, it's pretty obvious that Shopify will more or less have stronger features for e-commerce than WordPress, because it's built for that only, but we'll see if WordPress is good for that as well. As a matter of fact, WordPress uses WooCommerce as a tool for their e-commerce, and that is a well-known competitor for Shopify. But all in all, let's check them one by one. So say you care a lot about your e-shop and you want everything to be in order order, inventory, taxes, shipping, and etc. So WordPress allows you to edit the product name, description, and loads of other information such as inventory, shipping, related products if you want to upsell or cross-sell, attributes, advanced settings, storefront, and advanced. So I would feel that WordPress allows you to have splendid and functional settings over your products, and that is great. Now, compared to Shopify, they may have a little fewer functions, but I would feel that everything that they have is more or less enough. So you can edit the title, description, price, these are pretty obvious, but then you can work on your inventory, shipping, add extra variants, for example, if you're selling clothes with different sizes or colors. And then you can work on the SEO options straight from the product page, which is super useful. So basically, both website builders offer pretty much the same features over their product pages. However, Shopify allows you to work on the SEO settings right here and now, where WordPress may have a little more options for cross-selling and upselling, which is also quite cool. But what is also important in this WordPress versus Shopify review is the payment methods and charging rates that both of these website builders have. So if you were about to get Shopify, I would definitely recommend installing Shopify payments onto your website if you're planning on selling in one of the eligible countries. However, there are plenty of other payment options for Shopify, but then Shopify can take quite a bit of the cake by charging you almost 3% off of your sales. That can be quite a lot. On the other hand, WordPress's WooCommerce doesn't have charge rates that Shopify has, but some payment gateways might cost you around $70 as a one-time fee. So you'll have to pay around $70 in order to access those. Both of these e-commerce website builders offer the option to add the most popular payment gateways to your website, however, at an additional cost. In case you might want to read more in-depth information, you can find it on our website, mybestwebsitebuilder.com. Now then, if you're still wondering which of these two website builders you want to get, it really depends on your personal needs and overall experience in website building. Both are really good and functional website builders where you can achieve amazing results using them. However, after reviewing and testing these two builders for weeks, I must say that one is a little more simple than the other. WordPress is known for offering lots of features, lots of flexibility, and the option to edit the code of your website. However, you do need to have a certain knowledge and experience of website building. At the same time, Shopify is a little simpler as it does have just enough for you to be able to build a great and functional e-commerce website. So basically, if you're looking for a simplistic yet powerful e-commerce website building tool and you're looking forward to scaling small, medium-sized businesses, Shopify is the perfect option for you. And if you're looking for a website builder that has lots of options, the option to edit the code and scale your business to limitless possibilities, WordPress is your option. Yet if you're a beginner in website building, definitely go for Shopify, as again, it's just much more simple. And website building gurus, professionals, go for WordPress, as you will have maximum flexibility and editing freedom. So, time to wrap this WordPress versus Shopify review by looking into the WordPress and Shopify pricing. As you can see on the screen right now, WordPress has lots of plans, but 3 out of 4 of them are mainly for your personal website that doesn't have e-commerce features to it. So their most basic plan is $4 per month, but I would recommend getting the premium plan if you're looking forward to building your website without the e-commerce functionality. Other than that, the e-commerce plan is $45 per month, and it's a pretty fair deal. Now Shopify, on the other hand, has 3 main plans where the most basic one starts at $29 per month and is much more affordable than WordPress's e-commerce. However, you will have better charging rates, more features such as professional reports, international domains, and international pricing with the Shopify plan, which is $79 per month. But the most advanced plan is Advanced Shopify, which is $299, but you will get everything from it, including lots of tools to track your performance, third-party calculated shipping rates, best charging rates, and so much more. So check the description down below, as we might have a discount code that will help you save quite a bit of money. Plus, we have trial links for both of these website builders in case you might want to try them out first before making your purchase. Links are in the description down below. So that is going to be it for our WordPress versus Shopify review. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please let me know by pressing that like button, as it helps me a lot. And if you have any questions, feel free to write them down in the comments down below, and I will do my best to answer them as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.